Welcome guys, today we're gonna make the pom-pom chapels. This is the one which we are gonna wear with Desi pom-pom cape that we made last. So let's get started. For that you need this pom-pom laces, some golden lace of pom-pom like this. Measure it and cut it along. I want it in one of the side of the slippers like this. And this pink one I will be giving on both the sides, so I'm measuring it. How much do I need? Once I measure it, I'm doubling it so that I would need for both of the shoes chappals. And then I'm just again putting it and seeing how it looks. Okay, this is it, and I'll putting it the golden one only on the one side, the outer side of the chappal. Once I'm sure this is the design I want, I'm gonna stitch it. I'm just stitching the pink lace and the golden lace together, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna glue it with the straps of the chappal with the glue gun. I'm just fixing it here. Be sure that the design you had planned before, you first place it and see how it's looking, and then only glue it. Once it is done, it will be looking like this, and your DIY pom-pom chappals are ready. So do give it a try and hit the like button if you like my videos, and subscribe to my videos. Bye guys.